Bryn and I are going to do a couple of quick things in the chicken tractor. One, we're going to be setting up a small little latch so that that door can be secured from the inside, so that if anything has to be done in here, we don't have to worry about the little ones, all of them, trying to escape, because they like to do that. And we also have to hang up a chicken feeder, which, yeah, it's one of the ones I made the other day, so, alright. Well, like I said, quick and easy add. Oh no, you're not supposed to get up there. So you're going to prove that system wrong, huh? Oh, we may have to raise that up just a touch then. Make it just a touch harder on them. Yeah, we're gonna have to raise that up just a touch. So we'll go up one more, try and keep them from perching on it. And then we're gonna fill her with food, and the feeder doesn't have to come out when we go to move it now. And this is just some chain from the hardware store. One of the best parts is that it is adjustable, so we are going to be able to raise it up as they get bigger. And the latch is on the door, so we don't have to hold it shut while we're in here. Okay. Alright. Got a little helper with me now. We're going to get the PVC runners put on, which they're cut. This being the exact length. Took a little bit off the edge so that the inside lip will actually come in right in here on both ends. We're going to get her secured down, get this one on, flip her over, get the other one on. Unfortunately, the height difference means that the little one needs a step stool.
Hey, I've always wanted this.
Well, initially we forgot to do the pre-drilling on the PVC. It's a poor moment on my part. But we have that fixed, so now we can actually get them secured on there. And well, we'll go from there. Bryn and I are going to try our hands at a door, so we'll see how well we can do without Seth's help. He made the door the last time. I helped him. A little bit of a difference there. Now we're on our own. Alright. this is how our son feeds the chickens. He's walking himself in circles to get down there.
Waiting to see how long it takes for him to fall over.
He about did. And he's twirling again. I suppose this is him trying to